Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomelife.com. Today we are going to be unboxing our second subscription box. Last week I started a new little series here on the YouTube channel in which we are going through some great little subscription services and gift ideas that you can take advantage of for the upcoming holiday season. Whether these are gifts that you can give to yourself, as a reward for all of your hard work this year, or maybe they are some gifts that you can give to others. Maybe there are some people on your list that you really aren't sure what to buy for them this holiday season, and there's going to be some great ideas in this series for that as well. But the one that I have for you today is actually a stationery subscription box. It's called Flair and Paper, and I'm going to share a couple of things that I really love about this box and why it may be a great addition for you to have it arriving in your home office every month. And make sure you stay until the end of the video to find out how you can take advantage of this subscription service and also a great discount code that's available right now. Now, as I said, this subscription is called Flair and Paper. As you would imagine, it actually includes a lot of stationery and paper items. Now, one thing I really love about these stationery subscriptions is, well, there's a couple of things. First of all, I think that we don't, take the time to really send those handwritten notes as much as we should. It's a lot easier just pick up your phone and text something, or maybe get on Facebook Messenger. But a lot of those are really impersonal to me. I still love, I love getting cards in the mail. I love being able to send cards to other, whether it's someone that's sick at church that maybe you want to send them a little good get well card to, or birthdays, or maybe there's someone in your life that you haven't really spoken to in a while, but they've been on your mind and it kind of feels awkward to just reach out to them by text or Facebook. So you just don't do it at all. And then you walk around with that guilt that you haven't reached out to them when you wanted to, and sending a card is just a really great way to get over that. Get the card in the mail. It's something they're going to appreciate. You're going to feel good because you took the time to reach out to them and let them know that you're thinking about them. So this is one reason that I really love getting back into that practice of sending someone a short little note when they're on your mind. And what that brings up is, no joke, just this morning I had to run to the pharmacy to pick up a card, because I never seem to have the card that I need on hand, when I need them. I'm always having to go to make a special trip to the store to get, a card for a birthday or an anniversary or a get well card. And it's just a pain. If you can get a service like this that's kind of replenishing you with some new cards or with some really unique card ideas, I really enjoy it. So that is why I chose Flair and Paper. This is one that you can get on a month-to-month subscription as well, or you can just do the one-time gift, which is what I did, so that I could see it for myself before I went ahead and got that subscription. Now it is November, so a lot of the boxes we're getting this month are going to be, really, the theme is going to be around gratitude and giving thanks, and have some ideas for Thanksgiving and hostess ideas. There were some really neat things that I really liked in this box. So the first thing I am going to show you is, we'll go through the cards first. The Flair and Paper, their subscription page says that each box usually includes 4 to 5 cards. This is mainly what I'm in for, is the cards, and these are all blank on the inside, but there are some really cute ones here that can be used for a variety of different occasions. There's one that says, "You're my favorite human." There is one that says, "There's always something to be thankful for, like wine." This one says, "It's not you, it's me. Just kidding, it's totally you." This one says, "Thankful for you." And this one says, "Happy birthday. You'll always be older than me. Ha ha ha." So those are, I like the variety because there's a lot of different things that you can use these for. There are a couple of these in here that would be great for hostesses. If you are going to someone's house for Thanksgiving this year, drop a little gift card in one of these. It would make a great gift. And then of course your birthdays, you're thinking of you. Those are ones you can always have on hand. You can't have too many of those on hand. Also in the box was just a little paper calendar for November. There is a cute little tag to put on a wine bottle. Again, great thing to have on hand if you are going to someone's home for Thanksgiving. Always a good idea to bring a hostess gift, so slip this one on a nice bottle of wine to take over and you're good to go. There is also this really cute little, it looks like a little chalkboard, and it has the little white pen here as well. This is going to be super cute to put on your own Thanksgiving Day table, whether you use it as a place marker, or maybe you can put it in front of a certain dish. Maybe you have someone that has dietary restrictions. This would be a great idea for that, to make sure that you are tagging the proper things if that is something that is a necessity in your house. And the last thing that was in this box is my favorite, and that is tea towels. I love these cute little, cotton linen tea towels that have different sayings on them, seasonal ones. I have a ton of these that I switch out all the time. They're just so cute, and they really remind me of my grandma. She always had tons of tea towels and had them, for every day of the week and every holiday and every occasion. So this was my favorite thing out of the box. It's a really high quality towel too. So again, if you are looking for a hostess item, this would be a great one that you could slip in and take to a holiday gathering this year if you want. Me, I'm just going to keep it for myself. Now, Flair paper is just a short and sweet little box. It's a necessity in my book. If you aren't right now, I would really love to see you get in that practice of, writing those handwritten notes and sending those cards on occasion. It's going to certainly make you feel a lot better, and it's going to brighten someone else on the other end of the mailbox's day as well. And again, there's some cute gift items in here that you can keep for yourself or give to someone else this season. This box, as of the time of recording this video, the shipping is free. The box itself does cost $19.99. I believe they give an estimated value of everything in the box to be around $40 each month. Right now, there is a coupon code that's available for $5 off your first box. I will go ahead and leave that down in the description for you, along with a link to this box and their subscription page, so you can check it out and learn some more about it. Now, if you like this video, please give it a like and a share, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I have several more of these unboxings that we're going to be doing in the next few weeks. A lot of different services that you're going to love as someone who works at home and is running your own home office and trying to balance a family and kids and business and everything else. I have some great ideas coming up for you that you are going to want to stay tuned to. Until next time, I'll see you back over at theworkathomewife.com.